Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, I am back with another interesting swing trade stock. This stock is a multi-bagger stock. It has multiplied investors' capital by 10 times within just 1 year. The stock belongs to the ever-growing pharma sector, and the stock is none other than Neuland Laboratories Limited. From last year's March 25, 2020 COVID low, the stock has rallied to the levels of 2844 till April 20th, 2021. The stock has given bumper returns of 1057%, giving 10x returns for the investors. After this, the stock has corrected by almost 41%. Now the stock is available at 41% discounted price from its all-time high levels of 2844. It is a golden opportunity for you guys, for both long-term investors and for swing traders, as the stock is now well positioned to give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. Guys, Neuland Laboratories, established in the year 1984 with a headquarters in Hyderabad, is a leading manufacturer of active pharmaceutical ingredients and an end-to-end solution provider for pharmaceutical industry's chemistry needs. Its main business is split into 3 core areas: generic drug substances, GDS, custom manufacturing solutions, CMS, and peptides. Guys, Neuland is a small cap stock and volatility is common. The stock has fallen by 41% from its all-time high level of 2844. Guys, will Neuland fall more? You might be worrying how much more it can fall, and you might be in the dilemma whether to buy, hold, or sell the stock. So guys, in this video let us see the reasons for the stock fall, and let us see the future outlook of this company, and in the end let us analyze the stock technically by using charts, and I am going to give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners, and mutual funds. Also, please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. Let's see the stock fall reasons. The main reason is profit booking, as the stock has delivered 10x multi-bagger returns within just 1 year. And the second main reason is the impact of COVID. After the first wave, the stock has delivered excellent results. Both profit and revenue numbers came exceptionally well. That is the reason the stock has rallied 10 times. But guys, from the March quarter, the expenses for this company has been increased. The raw material cost, manufacturing cost, and employee expenses has been increased, resulting the profits were declined compared to the quarter on quarter and also on year basis. In the June quarter, the profits were declined by 40%, and in September quarter, it was declined by 4%. The profit booking, the COVID impact, and the decline in the profits are the main reasons for the stock fall. As the September quarter results are pretty better, we can expect a bounce back soon. So guys, let's see its future outlook. GDS business, the generic drug substances, is expanding with the strategy of delivering differentiated products to its customers. In prime API, mirtazapine, labetalol, levofloxacin is performing well. In the specialty molecule segment, the specialty revenues is coming from paliperidone, palmitate, apart from dorzolamide and donepezil. Neuland is very keen on creating sustainable CMS revenues driven by developmental products close to commercialization over the next few quarters. There are 18 projects in the developmental stage, and company is focusing on adding capacities for business growth and strategic backward integration. Guys, by looking at all this, we can say that future outlook of this company is very good. Guys, now let us analyze the stock technically by using charts. I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, I have opened Neuland's one-day chart. The stock has been fallen from its all-time high levels of 2844 and it is presently trading at the level of 1675. If you see its RSI, the relative strength index, it is presently looking flat. If you see its MACD indicator, it is also giving flat signal, neither bullish nor bearish. If you see its volumes, some amount of buying took place in the last session. Guys, if you see the moving average indicators, all the moving average indicators are getting convergent. Also, the Bollinger Bands are getting squeezed. Guys, if a bullish Marubozu candle forms in the next session, by crossing all the moving average indicators, it can trigger a huge rally. But guys, as there is panic due to the new variant of coronavirus, the stock may fall more. So the first support for the stock is at the level of 1500 and the second support is the level of 1300. Guys, if the stock falls to the first support 1500, it can go sideways like this. After few weeks, it can trigger a fresh rally. Or else, it can fall more, it can take the support from the second support and it can travel like this and it can trigger a fresh rally after some weeks. But if any positive news comes in the next week, it will trigger a huge rally. The stock can go beyond the levels of 1800, 1900 and it can even cross 2000 levels. So guys, now let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. The buy levels are level 1 1620, level 2 1500, level 3 1380. And the targets are target 1 1750, target 2 1850 and target 3 is 2000. Please keep the stop loss at 1200 and the time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, as new variant has come, please be patient and very cautious and pick the stock at each and every buy level and also at each and every dip and hold the stock for at least 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. The stock has got huge potential to give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. Guys, Neuland stock is in developmental stage and its future outlook is very good and technically it is looking very strong. If any small trigger, it can start a fresh rally. So please be prepared for any kind of falls and also it is a small cap stock, so please be cautious and take trade accordingly. This is all about Neuland guys. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. Small disclaimer for you guys, levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friend.